Unique to LifePod is the backlit capacitive keypad. You can key through it using quick, light touches. To program your master code, open the unit and locate the program button inside near the control panel. First, tap the LOCKPAD to wake the unit up. While the keypad is lit, press and hold the program button until all keys 1 through 4 light up red and let go. Enter your new code and then press and hold the program button again until all keys 1 through 4 light up red and let go. Re-enter your new code and press and hold the program button a third final time. You'll hear a confirmation chime and the status LED will light green, confirming the code has been changed.